Verifying your bank account on Hotspot Shield is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to premium features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open Hotspot Shield app. Launch the Hotspot Shield application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, find and click on payment information. This section allows you to manage your payment methods and bank account details. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will see an option to add or verify your bank account. Enter your bank account number, routing number, and any other required information accurately. Step 5. Confirm verification. After entering your details, look for a Verify button. Click it to submit your information. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once your bank account is successfully verified. After completing these steps, your bank account should be verified on Hotspot Shield. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.